Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to set schedule power on or off on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Okay, here I wanna make a schedule for power off or power on for my phone so that my cell phone doesn't run out of data internet easily and its performance has improved. Okay, how to do that? Now go to settings menu over here and then you can scroll down till the bottom and go to system guys. And here you can schedule the power on or off and restart. Okay, you can click for it. Okay, so here you can schedule when your cell phone will turn off and when your cell phone will turn on automatically every day. You can set the schedule or a time. So here I choose for my power on from about 5 a.m. And here I can also repeat the schedule or remove the schedule, and then you can checklist when you're done. So yeah, here you can also set the power off, and here I want to set the time about 1 p.m. and when you're finished you can click OK guys. And then you can schedule also about the day, and I will set for every day, and when you're done you can click checklist. So yeah, here the schedule of the power of my phone. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys.